Hello YouTube, here's a video showing some of the features of a Rock Island number 594 Machinist Bench Vise. Looks like the dimensions are 4.5 inches by 9 inches by 20 inches. Get this thing opened up and we'll find out what our usable jaw length is. Okay. We have a dimension here of 6 inches by 3.5 inches. This one here is incredibly well built. It's in really great shape too. I know there is a tag on the other side, but it looks like the information's worn off, and I'm assuming it belonged to a defense plant or something during World War II or whatever. If anyone has any more details on this model, when it was produced and who for, please let me know in the comments section. Thank you.